Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the EVS online class. Today we will learn circle the different one. So take out page number 62. So let's learn the name of the animals and birds and let's find out which one is different and why it is different. In this row, here we see some land animals and water animals. So how we will rectify? And because of what they are called as land animals and water animals, and why it is different. This is a tiger. This lives on, or you may see or know that this lives on land. And this shark, octopus, star. These three animals lives in water. So these are called water animals and this is land animals. So which one is different? This land animal is different. So circle this one. Okay, now next move to next row. Here also we see different animals. So this is zebra, giraffe, crab, and then lion. This among these four, this is water animal and this three is land animal. So which one is different? This crab is different. So circle this one. Next is peacock, pigeon, hen, and duck. These three lives on land and this lives on water. So which one is different? This duck is different. Why it is different? Because it lives on land. Next row, here we see a swan, duck, eagle, and stork. So swan, pelican, eagle, stork. Among these all lives on land and also can fly, and this lives on water. So circle this swan. So why it is different? Because it lives on water. So it is different. Now color the picture. So children, this is what? This is an image of a ladybird. So let's color the ladybird. So this ladybird, in this you see some small dots, circles on the body of the ladybird. Color this circles all black and rest body red. Okay, now let's move to the next page. 64. Plant around us. We see different types of plants that are around us. So let's know what does the plant, or we name the plants. Every plant have their name. Okay, so this tree is called as coconut tree. What does we get from this tree? We get coconut. So this is called as coconut tree. COCONUT, coconut, TREE, tree, coconut tree. Next is this tree is known as mango tree. Why it is known as mango tree? From this tree we get mangoes. So it is known as mango tree. MANGO, mango, TREE, tree. Rose plant. This plant is known as rose plant. Why it is known as rose plant? This plant forms beautiful roses. Because of this it is called as rose plant. R-O-S-E, rose, P-L-A-N-T, plant. Next, this plant is known as hibiscus plant. Why it is known as hibiscus plant? This plant produces a flower which is called as hibiscus. So H-I-B-I-S-C-U-S, hibiscus plant, P-L-A-N-T, plant. This plant is now known as sunflower plant. It has flower whose shape is like sun, so it is known as sunflower plant. S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R, sunflower, P-L-A-N-T, plant, sunflower plant. Next, this tree is known as banyan tree. Why? Because of its stem and of huge in size, and it produces shade. Because of this it is known as banyan tree. It can survive up to thousands of years. So because of this it is known as banyan tree, B-A-N-Y-A-N, banyan, T-R-E-E, tree, banyan tree. So children, this is what you see. This is a pond, and while in various places in ponds we get to see beautiful lotus and lilies. So P-O-N-D, pond. In that, in some pond we get to see lotus, and in some pond we get to see lilies. This flower is known as lotus, L-O-T-U-S, lotus, and this flower is known as lily, L-I-L-Y, lily. Next is this grass. These are the small plants that you see in playground or in nearby houses also. They grow everywhere. Because of this it is known as grass, G-R-A-S-S, grass. Now let's color the flower in the wash. So there are different type of flowers. Yes, we have read in this class, and let's identify the flower and then we will color it. This is a sunflower. Because of the shape of sun, it is known as sunflower. So color these petals of this flower yellow, and this in the middle color it brown. This is lotus. So what is this? This is a lotus. So color this lotus petals pink. Okay, color this lotus petals pink. Here also another lotus we see. So this also you color pink. And this sunflower color it yellow, and inside it brown. This is what? These two flowers in this vase, it is called as hibiscus. What? Hibiscus. We see different types of colors of hibiscus like red, pink, yellow, white. So according to the choice you color, but basically most we see it red color. To color these petals red. Now let's number the pictures in the order. So here you see the step of a plant that grows into a full phase plant. So let's know how does this plant grow, and according to that we will number it. So this is a seed that we put inside the soil. So put it number 1. This is the first step. Okay. Now in this process, what does it happen? The seed starts germinating. Okay, the seed starts germinating. in the soil. This is the second process of the plant to form. Next, here you see after germinating it starts roots. Why it have roots? It will get intact in the soil after getting enough strength, then the plant starts growing. So we have these roots. In order to form a plant, we should always water it. So here you see the plants, it grows, but this is the third process, formation of a plant. Next, these plants started shedding its leaves. You see, and the roots also started to grow. So this is the next process. So put it number 4. And this process, it formed a full phase plant. How you will know that it formed a full phase plant? This roots has completely grown up and this tree has completely formed. So like this way, it forms a plant. So put it number 5. So how a plant grows? First we put a seed into the soil. Then after putting seed, it forms germinating. Then it forms roots and grows slowly. Next, after getting enough strength, it forms little by little. Leaves grows the trees, and in fifth last it forms a full phase plant. So how does a plant with proper care and nourishment, with water, proper sunlight, the plant grows. Now let's match the trees with their leaves. In this side we see different trees, and in this column we see different leaves. So let us know which tree has which types of leaves. This is a mango tree. Here you might have seen a mango tree. The leaf looks like this. So match to this. This is a papaya tree. Yes, this leaves matches with this. So match like this way. This is a coconut tree. Now let's find which leaves matches with this coconut tree leaves. Yes, we find the same. Okay, match like this way. This is a banana tree. So let's find which leaves matches with this banana tree leaves. Here we find. So match like this way. So that's it for today. Today we have learned which animal belongs to which land or water and circle the different one. And in next phase we have learned the beetles. How does a beetle looks and color them properly. And in next we have learned the plant that we see in our day-to-day life around us and which plant names what. So that's it for today. Hope you liked the video. Try to learn and enjoy it. Thank you. Bye-bye.